before you do any servicing, ensure that the unit is unplugged. Next, what we'll do is we'll take a putty knife here. There are 2 clips in the front here. Just go and push them in. Lift the top up. We can simply just pull it back. Take it off the hinge there. Just rotate it. Let it hang on the hinge there. Not to put too much stress on those wires. Okay, we're going to go and unplug 2 wires going to the door switch. It's on the front of the dryer there. And then there are 2 screws that we're going to remove on the front here, and then the front piece will come off with the door. Okay, with those 2 screws removed, you can pick the drum up a little bit, pull your door out, and pick it up and pull it away. Okay, what is causing all of that vibration is there's a lot of lint stuck in here in the fan, and it's causing it to be out of balance. Okay, what you want to get is a brush, get in there and clean all of these out, because the wet lint causes this to be unbalanced. Then we're going to take a vacuum and then vacuum all that out. Okay, I got it all brushed out. I just took a cereal box, made a little coil out of it so it'll fit my vacuum hose. Okay, got a fairly good sized chunk of lint off of that there. What I did is I took a cereal box and put a little hose on the end there so I could get in here and vacuum that out real well. And I did take this sensor off so I could stick it in that hole and get that. So now we're ready to put it back together. Now that you have the door off, it's probably a good idea to take your vacuum and clean out through there. So that tab right down there, the door has a little slot there that has to fit in there. We'll go ahead and put the front panel on. Then you'll need to pick the drum up a little bit. Get the door to go on there. Okay, we'll place that screw down in there on each side. And we'll take our door switch, connect those wires on there. Take this, the top here, put those slots, line it up on the hinge there, and push it down on front.